You shouldn't hear my breathing voice and all like But I think it's only why am I spending on? Why are we spending on this? We don't want to do voiceover again. How you got it right?
Yeah.
Because you're already having this mask also.
Right.
It filters a lot.
No, without this mask also.
Because,
Yeah, it's very much
has a
clear.
good, cancellation. This also has some cancellation it seems. What is this for connectivity only? Right?
Yeah, this is for connectivity, this is for power, and that side,
That's it. Nothing else.
acha. But
build as-
it has noise cancellation button.
It has 3 levels. Same button does the working.
Acha. We are going to Malappa Konda Hills. ओके सो इनका जो है ना लाइक देख रहे इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट सो आप सोच रहे होंगे कि लास्ट हमारा जो राइड्स है वो तमिलनाडु में लास्ट 3-4 राइड्स सिर्फ तमिलनाडु में ही हो रहा है आई मीन अराउंड दिस लोकेशन बिकॉज वी आर फॉलोइंग द सेम रोड राइट सो यस few locations that we had to cover this side, so that's why we chose कि let's do one day ride. ठीक है or else we were planning for some other location in Karnataka. I hope कि हमारा जो नेक्स्ट वाला राइड होगा वो कर्नाटका में होने वाला है and for the next ride we will skip Tamil Nadu. Okay, content banana is not an easy task. You have to carry all the accessories, you have to align all the videos, the footage and then edit, right? तो ये थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है. That's okay. I mean, it's fine as long as you are passionate. Okay. So again, whole kind of situation here. सॉरी 2 ही हैं, 2 है बस। ही अच्छा रास्ता है, दोनों तरफ पहाड़, जंगल्स, एंड देन यू हैव लाइक which is really good. I mean, yeah, kind of. जितना राइड करोगे उतना डस्ट जाएगा फेफड़े में, तो मास्क मैंडेटरी है, ठीक है, होना ही होना है। यू शुड हैव कवर्ड योर नोज। देखो ऐसे रोड पे व्हील जो है ना लाइक अनस्टेबल हो जाता है इधर उधर, राइट। अगर आपकी टायर पुरानी हो गई है फिर तो gonna be like quite difficult to आगे आ गए हम लोग।
आगे आ गए?
हाँ, अच्छा नहीं, आगे से भी है। हाँ तो 1 सेकेंड। हाँ हाँ, आगे से भी ले सकते हैं, बट देन लेफ़्ट लेना है हमें हियर, ठीक है। आगे से ले सकते हैं क्या? आई गेस हाँ, जा सकते हैं ना। हाँ हाँ हाँ, तो लेट्स गो फ्रॉम देयर। हाँ हाँ बहुत अच्छा रोड है यार, क्या दोनों तरफ से पेड़ है, एंड इट्स गुड लाइक दिस। वाओ, बहुत ही शानदार, मज़े आ गए। मतलब क्या व्यू है, वाह, सुपर। So good. Yeah, very smooth road.
Very smooth, right?
Yeah. ऐसा रोड सिटी में हो जाए तो क्या मजा आएगा नहीं?
But I was saying that road was beautiful, that highway road. But
Yeah, this is like a lot better.
can I have something?
हाँ,
Oh, thank you.
ठीक है, आगे देखेंगे. ओके. बहुत. Yeah, no traffic, no vehicles, just हाँ,
आगे मिलेगा नहीं पता नहीं,
कर लेते हैं.
कर लेते हैं.
इडली तो मिल ही जाएगा.
नहीं यहाँ मिलेगा,
ठीक है.
आगे मिलेगा पता नहीं.
हाँ, और वैसे भी 30 किलोमीटर्स है तो वी विल जस्ट राइड. यार मेरा स्टैंड अच्छा, इट स्पीक्स ऑल्सो.
Streets also, but I don't know what it is. Streets. YouTube को भरोसा से चल रहा है.
ब्रेकफास्ट हमारा हो चुका है और इट वॉज अ परफेक्ट ब्रेकफास्ट ऑफ इडली एंड वड़ा. We both ate and the cost is like nothing. You can get a proper meal under 50 rupees, right? And who says the food is expensive in India? Yes, it is, I agree, but not always and not everywhere. Just us. हाँ,
अभी रखते थे ना हम लोग.
हाँ.
फोटो आपके बाइक है,
हाँ,
अभी आप पास करके फोटो लेते
हाँ,
हैं.
लेते हैं. यहाँ पे मस्त फ्लावर्स वगैरह है. यहाँ पे फ्लावर्स वगैरह है ना, वो भी लेंगे. दैट विल ऑल्सो विल टेक. हाँ, this is so good. अभी 14 किलोमीटर हमें अंदर जाना है इसके. ओहो, the scene is just amazing. Oh, slow down for wildlife. हाँ, या. बोर्ड लगा हुआ था स्लो डाउन फॉर एनिमल्स। वैसे हम जो वाइल्ड लाइफ वाला है बनरघट्टा या कावेरी और ये तीसरा, वी हैव नॉट एनकाउंटर्ड एनी ऑफ द एनिमल्स सो फार। Oh, I hope road doesn't get bad. धुआं भी निकल रहा है यार। हाँ हाँ, आंध्रा में है ये। ओह वाओ, हाँ, वी एंटर्ड इन आंध्रा। अरे वाह, विल टेक फोटो। व्हाट अ लोकेशन। भाई साहब खतरनाक। हाँ
नहीं, ऐसे ले लेते हैं। अगेन समवन विल कम एंड
फिर अगेन up. Yay! Look at the road, amazing. Perfect road. Why? Oh, yellow flowers, and then we're like going very smooth. I think temple is also there, so people are coming. You are under CCTV surveillance. Where is CCTV? No one is here. This. What the hell? He just parked the bus in between the road. Wow. We are already climbing. Like, look at those. हाँ, इसी पहाड़ की ओर हम लोग जा रहे हैं जो साथ में आ रहे थे ना, एंड आगे रोड ऐसे ऐसे होने वाला है थोड़ा, सो इट्स गोना बी इंटरेस्टिंग। देखो मैप में, देखो मैप में कैसे दिखा रहा है। स्ट्रेट, हाँ हाँ, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर। हाँ हाँ हाँ, द फर्स्ट वन। येलागिरी से ये वाला थोड़ा सा लाइक वाइडर है आई गेस, एंड इस वाली रोड पे भीड़ नहीं है। दिस इज द सेम, आई एम फीलिंग सेम लाइक नॉट जस्ट लाइक सो गुड। हाँ ये देखो, जहाँ भी बेंडिंग है वहाँ पे वाइड कर रखा है, और बाकी ये वाला है। अगेन दिस इज द थर्ड वन। आप 2 नंबर पे बेंड कर सकते हो, ठीक है। डू नॉट ट्राई टू टर्न ऑन नंबर 3। और ऐसे वाले रोड पे भी डू नॉट गो एवर 4। दैट इज़ रिकमेंडेड एंड सजेस्टेड वन एज पर माई एक्सपीरियंस। दिस इज द 4th और द 5th ones। हाँ, 2 नंबर इज़ गुड इनफ, ठीक है। 3 किलोमीटर्स 7 मिनट। बट दे हैव मेड दैट कि आपको दूर से ही पता चल जाएगा कि यहाँ पे बेंड है, तो आप स्लो कर लोगे, राइट। तो ये चीज़ सही है, नंबर 3 पे था। वाह, देखो वहाँ तक बिजली पहुँच चुकी है। अब ये मस्त स्ट्रेट जाएगा एंड देन मलप्पाकुंडा व्यू पॉइंट आई थिंक अभी बहुत ज़्यादा ये फेमस नहीं हुआ है, जिसके वजह से यहाँ पे कम क्राउड है। और अब तो ऊपर जाने के बाद पता चलेगा कि हाँ क्यों इतना फेमस नहीं है। बट देन अगेन फॉर मी इट्स अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस, मज़ा आ रहा है। जय भोलेनाथ। हो भाई, कोई भी नहीं है यार, मतलब वीकेंड होते हुए भी। लुक एट द हाइट, मलप्पाकुंडा हिल्स। अच्छा ये भी हिल्स है, ओके, हिल्स व्यू पॉइंट, ठीक है। सो दीज 3 hills वी हैव covered in our vlog. Oh, what a view, man! What a view! वाह, वहाँ पे जाना है। वहाँ से हमें वही दिख रहा था, और कुछ मिनट के बाद लाइक वो ढक गया था बादल से, एंड द क्लाउड वाज लाइक मूविंग। डैम, full satisfactory. Wow. Loved this location, man. Seriously, loved it. नहीं, इस वाले पेड़ से बहुत चोट लगता है भाई, संभल के चलाना। मेरे हाथ पे लगा साला। क्या लोकेशन है, नहीं? वाह। एंड येलागिरी जैसा भी नहीं है यहाँ पे कुछ। वी आर लाइक फ्री। इजी भाई, स्लो जाओ, इतना फास्ट नहीं चलाने का। Look at the road all the way down. It's gonna be really, really fun. Oh, so we like almost touched 3 states: Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and then Andhra. So we are in Andhra Pradesh. Wow. Amazing. In just 2 hours we are like roaming around in 3 states. What an amazing ride. Yeah, right. This location was worth coming. Less crowded, very less crowded. No one was on road, just us. And here also, see, it's empty. Really like good experience. Yeah. हाँ, चलते हैं। एंड हाइट पे है तो थोड़ा तो we have to go there. This road, we are not taking our bikes there. Less dangerous than Yelagiri Hills and more than Nandi Hills. You might find it a bit in a different way because of the crowd, but यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, तो it's I think it's very much safe. Okay. So finally हम पहुँच गए हैं यहाँ पे। ऊपर एक टेम्पल है and then we have व्यू पॉइंट and this is the last here bend. ठीक है, this is the last bend. नहीं, एक और है लास्ट। देखो पहाड़ों पे रोड बना दिया, इतना सुंदर, इतना स्मूथ, बट मेन सिटी के अंदर ऐसा पाथोल्स है कि बस पूछो ही मत। इतने सारे बाइकर्स, वाह। कूल हाँ हाँ so many of bikers, only bikers you can see. Yeah, and just one shop there, right? And this is the temple. Something they are making.
It's not a concept like this.
हाँ, yeah, something they are. हाँ हाँ चलते हैं. Finally we have reached the location, Malappa Konda viewpoint. This is something they are making, I guess, temples or something, and that is where we have to go. Look at the, you will not be able to see the cloud. It's moving so fast. We are able to see from our naked eye. And this is the group, the Royal Enfield group. I'm not sure where they're coming from, but they might be from Karnataka or somewhere, whatever, but 10-15 people are there. And it is like, you know, we are coming in January or December in winter season. It is like that. Wow. Oh wow. Look at the clouds. Look at the cloud. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. Look at the clouds. Wow. We have to go trek over there. Straight climbing. Amazing. Oh. And that's the temple. While coming back, we'll visit that temple. My god, the location is just amazing. And I can see this is so peaceful and less crowded than Nandi Hills, and this is like not less than that. The view is just mesmerizing. I know they have made it a bit dirty here, but my god. Look at the clouds. This is so good, so good. Look at. Wow. Let's go to that place and then we'll see what's up there.
I think, what do you prefer? The gang like 20 people or just 2 people?
No, not a gang. Not in all situations, but yeah. Sometimes if you are exploring a place like this, then gang is fine. We can have fun while trekking up there and other things. But other location, I mean, the preference is depending upon the location, right? So yeah, we should be flexible actually. We shouldn't be like, I just want to go with just one, right? We should have like, oh wow, so beautiful. This is just cannot be judged with the camera's eye, but the naked eyes you will be able to experience this amazing view. So good. Yeah. Wow, yeah.
I'm surprised at 9:30. Look at this.
Still the clouds are like moving like so. That would have been like amazing. Yeah. Now our trekking starts. Yeah. We'll go all the way. In a few days, the bikers will go there. They will ride. Yeah. भाई कितना स्ट्रेट है ये पूरा चढ़ाई. अरे शू इस पे स्लिप कर रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ डस्ट द शूज आर लाइक हाँ स्लिपिंग थोड़ा सा है straight you have to be a little careful oh look at the rocks oh you need to go up straight oh
Please take a look at this.
wow. Only we are feeling a bit tired.
You are young kid, come on. What are you in your 30s? 30 you are 30 or in 20s?
20 is still.
Hey, you are younger than me.
Obviously, do I look like old?
You are skinny, you are my elder brother.
Hmm.
Not easy, bro.
Yeah.
75 degrees we are walking. Somewhere I heard if you think you are powerful, climber, it shows you how weak you are.
Yeah.
Or hit the gym. It shows you.
Although I have joined gym recently,
Okay.
it's been 15 days. But it's gonna take some time.
It will take time.
Yeah.
Not some time. A lot of time.
Yeah. 6 months, I guess.
The good things will take time.
Right. Oh. So finally we are up. All the way up here. Oh.
Only cancer around the
Look at the road, man, there. Fuck, this is from there we are coming. Oh, this is so good. Even though there is nothing, but I'm feeling like this is the best place we have like been so far. Yeah. Yeah. And the trek we did the first one, that was Ambali. Oh.
After having
So finally we have reached on the top of the location here, the Shivaling. So that is made of iron obviously. So let's go nearby and then we'll see how they have made it. Trishul, yeah. I think it fell down because of Tufan, cyclone and whatever. The hum. This is open from everywhere. Huh. Yeah. Oh, yaar. Damn. This is so painful to see this. Oh. This is the view. Look at, can you see the cloud?
तो जरूर से नहीं यहाँ अंदर जा रहा है
हाँ दिख रहा है the cloud. Yeah. I mean, why they are sitting there? Oh my God.
Manali. You wanna go there? And the best thing is we have 5G network. Yeah. Why the hell it is getting turned on? I have turned it off. So finally we are on the top and we'll climb this. We'll go up and see what is the view is like from there. The camera is like not. This is dangerous. We are gonna take some risk. Shall we go up? I hope. Oh, they have like broke this. Yeah. What if that falls? We are going up. Oh, this is like shaking. This is shaking. I think one by one we'll have to. Huh? What they have done this? Like they have burned it. Oh my God! Look at the cloud is touching face. Now what? See, this is like no support. I hope it doesn't fall down, or else we'll go on directly. Yeah, don't put the leg there. Oh my God, this is so scary. Literally, it's shaking. Oh, wow. Oh my God. This is the best place we have been. Wow, like, amazing. Just 85 kilometers, 90 kilometers from Atif. If you are coming from Bangalore, you can just must feel it. Wow. This is literally like sky, clouds, nature, and then this Shivali.